Spraying the prey down, so fuck what you know. I'm claiming your soul, I'm ending your life. You crawl as you go, you choose to follow. Motherfuckers never gonna see the day of light. Putting out the fucking torch, you really finna fight. Holding your chest, removing the pest. I'll put you to the fucking test to really see you die like the rest. Ho, when the pussy boy tryna act tough, roll up to his fucking house, then I tell him put him up. Better get fucked up, put your mouth on the curb. Stomping your head while your homies observe. And I thought I told you motherfuckers you don't want no problems. If you wanna handle beef, we can solve them today or mañana. This my persona, just like a bitch, and you always want drama. I'm not the bitch, I don't play with the fuckery. Cemetery, you and B gang anomaly. I am the one that be putting in your coffin G. Kill a motherfucker, messing up your whole economy. And I am gripping your neck, ripping out your damn spine. Sick in the flesh with the devilish mind. World turn to black, now I know that it's mine. It's the city of ashes with the angels that cry.
Nighttime.
The devil
Bye.